Shelly, it's really wonderful to know about your, childhood and how you have, came so far, your creative journey. So in your next section of your life journey, we would like to understand your professional life, your, personal life, your family life, how these creative things help you to, self-express yourself and also be confident, and you can take decisions of your life. So if you can just share your experience.
Sure. So from a perspective of professional life, I got the benefit of starting very early, right after my college. I did get an opportunity to work with a Big Four, and I think in that, coming from a normal college life to a corporate life was a big change. And somewhere there, I think the creativity really helped because the form of self-expression that a dancer holds is very rare when you compare it with any normal person.
Right.
So if you can, I think if anyone, has like a group of people who are bifurcated as dancers and non-dancers, a dancer person in any situation would be a lot more expressive through the eyes, through the hands, and I think that kind of gave me an edge, in terms of talking to people, in terms of the confidence, and also in terms of articulating, because the amount of practice that goes for a normal step or for a normal tukda, there is so much of practice that goes, and while on the stage when we perform also, there are a lot of things that goes in the mind. So I think that really helped me in life, because a lot of times, especially probably in sensitive situations, I think the idea or the habit of taking everything, rehearsal as once in mind before talking it out. I think that's a gift which Kathak gave me.
That's really good to know. Yeah, in a corporate scenario, there will be a lot of, multiple tasks you have to do. You have to manage your time. You have to handle volumes or stress.
Yes.
So how this, creativity helped you, if you can, highlight some of your experience with example.
Okay, so I think in terms of handling work, honestly, I'm still learning it somewhere. I think it's a journey for me to handle stress and handle work.
Right.
I think it's okay to be very vocal about it, and I know I am. I'm not someone who can handle stress. I'm still one of those who's a learner to handling stress. But I think what the performing arts taught me, when it comes to this, a little bit which helped me there, is about trying to just hold your ground. Trying to be humble, trying to just be there. Not react away.
Correct. I mean, staying calm and composed, and then don't react immediately.
Yeah.
So those things, I mean, it comes with all rehearsals and practice.
Yes.
It's all about the discipline.
Yes,
part.
absolutely.
That's a good thing. So anything, and you wherever you have done any kind of performance, any stage performance or anything, any achievements, if you can share some of your experience.
Yeah, I mean, in school, there were a lot of fests that I have been a part of.
Yes, and how it helped you to build your leadership skills.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I think from a leadership perspective, I think it's given me, dance has given me a way how to empathize with people.
Right.
Because, there are so many tukras, there are so many dances that we perform where we have to show those expressions. That can be anger, that can be love, and or that can be even admiration towards, someone or a deity.
Correct.
So I think what Kathak taught me is to be empathetic, and I think that is one of the most powerful things.
Correct.
I don't know, like. I would be loved to called as a leader, but to whoever I have really impacted my life, like who I've made an impact on.
Right.
It's all due to this empathy that has been learned. And
Correct.
I think that can be learned only through this dance form, because you have to kind of understand those lyrics, get the emotions, and then only can you perform. Otherwise, it's not possible to perform.
Correct. It's all about the navraj and different
Yes.
scenario, how you express, how you show that kind of
True.
expression. And since, as you rightly mentioned on your empathy part, so that's how you connect to different people, and
Yeah.
people build that trust in you.
Yes.
That okay, I can look forward to her. If I go to her, I will get some kind of a solution.
Yes.
So it's all interconnected, though you can't call me as a leader
Yeah.
at this phase of life, but those are the qualities you are building
Yes.
to become a leader and take decisions, to give the
Correct.
right direction to people.
Yes.
And during our classes, if you remember, we used to discuss, you created some kind of crafts and all with,
Yeah.
with your friends. So
Yeah.
that's really good. I mean, your friends come to you to, do
Yeah.
something new, do something creative.
Yeah.
So those things are,
That's
really good. So it's a wonderful, it's an amazing experience. That's how, we also connect if person is creative, and the divinity, it comes within them.
Correct.
So we also connect with the right people at the right time.
True.
That's how it happens always. And any other memorable moment that you want to share,
I think
particularly you
another
felt really good or proud about you?
I think the another memorable moment actually was it was my Sangeet night.
Oh,
And so I was supposed to perform a particular
Mhm,
piece,
mhm.
and due to some technical snag,
Mhm.
that particular sound did not work, and I had to choose another dance.
Okay.
And for the girls, her Sangeet night, her performance is
Yes, the most
the
important
most
thing in the
important.
world. Right.
And I was, but surprisingly,
Mm-hmm.
I came up with a new song
Okay.
and I danced. And I did not need any rehearsal
Excellent.
because it's within you.
Yes,
The dance
yes,
is within you.
yes.
So all you need is like a 5-minute prep time.
Right.
And you can
Just hear the music,
Yeah.
the choreography is going on in your mind,
Yeah.
and you just go and perform.
That's the best part. I mean, I'm very proud of
Lovely.
myself when it comes to that, and that has also helped me professionally, because if anyone at work would tell me that I would have to teach someone or showcase
Mhm.
something or present something, and I just need a 5-minute prep time, and I'm like, just give me 5 minutes,
Yes.
let me read everything through, and I'm ready.
Yeah.
So
Almost, you are ready for the show all the time.
yes, always.
Wonderful. Okay, thank you so much. It's a
Thank
really
you.
great experience.
Thank you.